Take this cover off right here. You can use a small pick or a small screwdriver. There is a little keyway you can get in there. And just pop it out. Some clips holding it on. Now we're going to pop this panel off. Use a trim tool and just get underneath the panel. And there's some clips holding it on. And it slides out this way. There's some clips. There should be clips there. They stayed in there, so I'll have to pull those out. Then there's some bolts right there. Use a 7mm socket. We're going to take those two out first. And there's one under here. Take that out with the same 7mm socket. And two more underneath here with that same socket. Now we're going to use a trim tool around the perimeter of the door panel. Just pop it out. There we go. Slide it up and out. Now we're going to disconnect this cable. Just push down on this little tab, slide it out, slide it off. Then the wiring connector. There's a little lock tab there. Push down on that button and then lift up, just like that. It slides right out. Then pull off that retainer right there. Just use a trim tool. There we go. Take this cover off. You can just use a trim tool, get underneath it, or a screwdriver, and pop it off. Disconnect the connector right here. This little red lock tab. You can use a pick or a screwdriver. Just pull it out a little bit, and push down on the button, and slide the connector out. Now take these 4 nuts off. Use a 13mm socket. Loosen them all up. When you get to the last one, before you take the last one off, you want to support the mirror from the outside. Now I'm going to support the mirror. Loosen it up. And slide the mirror out. And you can slide the new mirror in position. And it helps if you keep a nut with you and go around and get the nut started. And get the other ones on. And snug them all down. Not too tight, just snug. Take the connector, line it up, click it in place, and then push down on that lock. Now take this cover, line it up, and push it in place. Now take this connector, line it up, lock it down, and then push down on the lock, and take that retainer, slide that in position. And the cable, install the cable, take the little ball on the end, slide it through that hole, and lock it in place. Make sure it works before you put it all back together. That looks good. Now take the lock rod. You can slide the lock rod out of there, slide it into position, and as you push this in, it should pop that lock rod back into that location. And slide the top on first. Just like that. That looks good. Make sure that's all lined up. And start pushing the pins in. That looks good. Now put these bolts back in. And just snug it down. These two also. and the two on the bottom. And snug them down. Now take this trim piece and slide it in over here first. Line up the clips and lock it down. And this little cover, line it up and lock it in.